Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature 7 must-see short hair transformations. First up, we have this mint green pixie haircut, followed by this all black pixie haircut, love the choppy texture and side swept bangs with that one. And then we see a hair color transformation. So the stylist did like a beautiful silver blonde coloring with a bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful platinum silver shade. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we do see a long to short hair transformation. So the stylist gave the client this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely stunning makeover. And then we see someone else decide to go from long to short, and she ended up getting this gorgeous lob haircut. Wow, absolutely stunning. Loving the ombre haircut. Beautiful color, stunning. And then we have another pixie haircut. Followed by another beautiful pixie. So I hope that you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.